Vertebrates are a fascinating group of animals characterized by their backbone or spinal column. This diverse category includes mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish, comprising a significant portion of the animal kingdom. Vertebrates are distinguished from invertebrates, which lack a backbone. The backbone, or vertebral column, is made up of individual vertebrae that protect the spinal cord, a crucial part of the central nervous system. This structure not only provides support but also allows for flexibility and movement. Vertebrates exhibit a wide range of body sizes, shapes, and adaptations, making them incredibly diverse. Mammals, one of the most well-known classes of vertebrates, are warm-blooded animals with fur or hair and mammary glands that produce milk for their young. They range from tiny bumblebee bats to massive blue whales. Mammals are further divided into three main groups: monotremes, marsupials, and placental mammals. Monotremes, like the platypus, lay eggs, while marsupials, such as kangaroos, give birth to underdeveloped young that continue to grow in a pouch. Placental mammals, including humans, have a more complex reproductive system, allowing for longer gestation periods. Birds, another class of vertebrates, are characterized by feathers, beaks, and the ability to fly, although not all birds are capable of flight. They are warm-blooded and lay eggs with hard shells. Birds have adapted to a variety of environments from the Arctic tundra to tropical rainforests. Their unique respiratory system, which includes air sacs, allows for efficient oxygen exchange, enabling high levels of activity during flight. Reptiles, including snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodilians, are cold-blooded vertebrates that typically have scaly skin. They lay eggs with leathery shells and are well adapted to life on land. Reptiles are often found in warm climates, but some species can thrive in cooler regions. Their ability to regulate body temperature through behavioral adaptations such as basking in the sun is crucial for their survival. Amphibians such as frogs, toads, and salamanders are unique among vertebrates due to their dual life stages. They begin life as aquatic larvae with gills and undergo metamorphosis to become air-breathing adults with lungs. Amphibians are sensitive to environmental changes, making them important indicators of ecosystem health. Their permeable skin allows for gas exchange, but it also makes them vulnerable to pollutants and habitat loss. Fish, the largest group of vertebrates, are primarily aquatic animals that breathe through gills. They are divided into three main categories: jawless fish, cartilaginous fish, and bony fish. Jawless fish, like lampreys, lack jaws. Cartilaginous fish such as sharks and rays have skeletons made of cartilage rather than bone. Bony fish, which include the majority of fish species, have a skeleton made of bone and are characterized by their swim bladders, which help them maintain buoyancy. The evolutionary history of vertebrates dates back over 500 million years. The first vertebrates were jawless fish that appeared during the Cambrian period. Over time, vertebrates evolved to adapt to various environments, leading to the emergence of land-dwelling species. The transition from water to land was a significant milestone in vertebrate evolution, allowing for the colonization of diverse habitats. Vertebrates play crucial roles in ecosystems. They serve as predators, prey, and scavengers, contributing to the balance of food webs. Many vertebrates also have symbiotic relationships with other species, such as birds that help control insect populations or mammals that disperse seeds. Additionally, vertebrates are essential for human society, providing food, companionship, and ecosystem services. Conservation of vertebrate species is vital due to the threats they face from habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation. Many vertebrate populations are declining, and some species are on the brink of extinction. Conservation efforts, including habitat protection, breeding programs, and legislation, are crucial to preserving biodiversity and ensuring the survival of these remarkable animals. In conclusion, vertebrates are a diverse and essential group of animals that have adapted to a wide range of environments. Their unique characteristics, evolutionary history, and ecological roles highlight their importance in the natural world. Understanding and protecting vertebrates is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems and the overall balance of life on Earth.